Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Manisha Zadhav, Director at Radiant Specialty Skin Clinics, Pune. And I am here to reveal to you the secrets of radiant, healthy and flawless skin. As you all know, we have been discussing about daily skincare regime in our past few sessions. And today we are going to come with one more product which you have to include in your day-to-day skincare, and that is serums. Serums was not a part of our regime a few years back, but recently it has become a part and parcel of our day-to-day skincare regime. Now, what are serums and what is actually the significance of serums and why do we have to include it in our daily course? That's what we are going to talk about today. So basically, what is a serum? A serum or serums are skincare products that are designed to deliver high concentration of specific active ingredients to the skin. So they are lighter than moisturizers or any other skin cosmetic products because they are water or gel based, and the most important factor about serums is that they reach to the deeper levels of the skin, and that is why they act quickly and deeply, giving a faster result in a lesser time. So that's the significance of serums. Now, typically, if you consider like you are having a night or a dinner of 3-course meal, okay, then in night skincare regime, if you follow that 3-course meal, then cleansers are like starters, and moisturizer, which we use before sleeping, acts like a dessert. And in between this is the main course. Then that main course is serum. So typically a serum has to be applied after using cleansers and before you apply your moisturizer. So that is how you use a serum. That is the place and significance of serum in our day-to-day regime. Okay. Now, serum is basically a product which is going to enhance the effect of the medicine that you want to deliver or the agent that you want to deliver. So there are several indications where serums are ideally used. Let's today talk about only serums which are used for face or till the neck area. All right. According to the indications, we can have different types of serums. So first is anti-aging serum. So as the name suggests, these serums contain anti-aging mediums or medicines, and because they are in the serum form, they act quickly and give results faster. Now, which are these ingredients? Mainly retinols, or you can say green tea, HLA, peptides and caffeine, and vitamin C to some extent. So all these are the agents which are the main ingredients of these serums, and they act and help to repair the damage of the skin, and hence they have an anti-aging action. Next is the antioxidant action of serums. So obviously antioxidant serum is very important because it helps to protect the skin layer and it helps to prevent the damage. It helps to restore or release the free radicals, and it helps in preventing fine lines, aging, wrinkles and all the damage effects that are caused to skin due to exposure to free radicals. So that is the main action of antioxidant serums. Now, what are the main ingredients of antioxidant serum? Most of the vitamins like A, C and E. Okay, then niacinamide, melatonin or L-ascorbic acid. All these are the ingredients which you can find in an antioxidant serum. And obviously you have to find out your skin type and Accordingly, the quantity in which you have to use the serum is going to matter. Third type is the hydrating serum. As the name suggests, it is going to hydrate your skin. It's going to help to enhance the moisturizing effect. It is going to remove the dryness. So obviously it is going to be very much helpful for dry skin, and main content of it is usually hyaluronic acid and many other contents which are used for moisturizing. The only difference between a moisturizer and a serum is that a serum will go deeper and will help to take action quickly, and that is why it is going to act and give results faster. Also, when you apply a serum, it doesn't give you a feel as if you have applied anything, because it's so light to feel. That's the benefit or plus point of using a serum. And if you use a moisturizer after a serum, it's going to give a double impact, and it's a bonus offer basically. Okay. Fourth type is color correcting serums. So these are the serums which are used for hyperpigmentation and many other pigmentation problems. So what these serums do is they contain some ingredients which are going to help in repairing the melanin secretions, or skin lightening and brightening effects they are going to bring about. So which are such ingredients? There are several like kojic acid, phytic acid, or glycolic acid, arbutin, licorice, retinols, vitamin C, and several other ingredients can be used in a serum form, and they are going to give absolutely good results in skin brightening and reducing hyperpigmentation. So these are the basic variations in which serums are used. There are many other uses of serums, such as for delivering cancer medicines, serums are used. Also for scalp problems, for hair fall. If the medicine is used in serum form, the delivery of the medicine goes deeper into the scalp and it gives good results. For electroporation therapies, mesotherapy, and many other procedures also, serums are used as the base medicine. To act for quick delivery of the medicine, these serums are going to be very, very useful. So this is the basic indication for which serums are used. Now we have to remember that since these serums are very sensitive and they are used in a very concentrated form and they are quick acting, so there is a very high chance that they may cause some side effects for a sensitive skin. So definitely do not buy over-the-counter serums. You should go and refer to a dermatologist, to a skin specialist, and find out if that serum is going to be really useful for your skin type. This is very essential. So be very, use the serum or select the serum very wisely. That is my advice to all of you. Now let's see how to use a serum. Everyone's skin type is different, but on average you should give at least 7 to 8 weeks for the skin serum for the skin to show effect after applying serum for at least twice a day. So the basic dosage or frequency is twice a day, once after bath in the morning and once in the night time. As I said, just after cleansing your face, that is after applying a cleanser, and before applying your moisturizer, or during the daytime if you're applying a sunscreen, then just before the sunscreen shot you should have 1 shot of serum, right? So that is the indication and how a serum has to be used. I hope you find this information useful, and hope the serum, right choice of serum that you make will make your skin glow with health. So on this note, we come to an end with this skincare regime related to face. We will come with few more episodes on hair care regime in the next month. So till then, stay in tune. Thank you so much.